Hi guys, welcome to another Seb Sesh. I'm Seb, head mixologist at Gym and Tonic, and I know everybody's got a guilty pleasure. I know you do. I certainly do, and my guilty pleasure is a light tipple which you usually have for brunch. It's called the Orange Blossom. So Orange Blossom has actually been entertaining brunches and Sunday brunches for as early as 1900s, and it still does so today. I found a lot of tweaks on this cocktail, but my favorite variation is one that comes pretty close to the original. So let's get to it, shall we? We're gonna start off by pre-chilling our Nicanora, or if you have a small capacity glass, martini would do as well. So I'm just gonna add a few ice cubes and leave that to chill on the side. Now, the next thing we're gonna take care of is the garnish. So for this drink in particular, orange peel, and I'm gonna do a long and beautiful orange peel and leave that on the side. Now, with the rest of the orange, advisably, you will squeeze this and turn it into juice. So I already prepped my orange juice for this morning. I have it here on the side. I would suggest you go fresh on this because a third of your drink will be the orange juice, and it makes all the difference in the world if it's fresh. But also, big difference will make the gin which we're adding, and for this Orange Blossom in particular, we're using our lovely craft grapefruit and hop gin, which marries up perfectly with the citrusness of the cocktail. So we're gonna do equal parts, and we're gonna start off with our lovely craft grapefruit gin, 30 ml. Next, we're gonna add freshly squeezed orange juice, 30 ml. Don't worry about the bits and seeds at the moment. We will double strain everything, so that's not gonna be an issue. Now we're gonna go for a sweet red vermouth, and I suggest you use a full-bodied one. I'm going for Antica Formula, but any full-bodied vermouth will do. I'm going for this one just because I like the spiciness of it, and I think it works really well with the orange as well. So we got all three ingredients, equal parts inside the shaker, and now we're ready to shake it off. So I'm gonna fill it up all the way with ice and give that a gentle. So our glass is nice and chilled. I'm gonna go ahead and discard the ice. And using the fine strainer and the julep strainer, we're gonna double strain everything into our pre-chilled cocktail glass. That is lovely. So to finish it off, we are gonna carve the orange peel, and I'm gonna turn it into a lovely garnish. Beautiful drink, deserves a beautiful garnish. So I'm just gonna attach that on the end. So there we have it, guys. Light, citrusy, and beautiful nonetheless. The Orange Blossom. Cheers.